SCOBY. Alright, after 7 days, it's time to flavor our kombucha. So as you can see at the side, I have ginger, calamansi or small limes, pomegranate and raspberry. And now I'm opening the jar and you can see Mr. SCOBY alive, and I'm going to take the SCOBY out, and I'm placing them on the plate right now so that you can see what my SCOBY looks like. It's alive and it will continue to grow if you take care of it. Put it in a jar, use the liquid in making the SCOBY, and also don't forget to set aside 2 cups of your starter tea from the liquid so that you can make your next batch of kombucha. At this point, I'm straining the kombucha tea, ready to be flavored. But first and foremost, don't forget to set aside 2 cups for your next batch. Now, I am ready to flavor our kombucha. Before I place the kombucha in the fridge after 3 days, I like to strain the fruits because I believe it has already incorporated the flavors, but you can totally retain the fruits if you like. I just like it like this way because I feel like it's much cleaner, and it's nice when you serve it. It's a little bit clearer, the liquid, and I like to have this cold, so I'm gonna try this the next day. I'm so excited. It's time to try our homemade kombucha. Cheers, everyone. Cheers to good health. It's so good. Cheers, everybody. Cheers to good health. Cheers to good gut health.